In this video, I'll be showing you how to install the Raxiom taillight sequencers on your Mustang. These make your Mustang taillights look much nicer than they do stock, and they're really easy to install. All you have to do is take these sequencers here and plug them into your lights. So let's go ahead and pop the trunk and get started. First, what you need to do is take this plastic panel off the back of your trunk. This way, you can actually access the taillights that you need to plug the sequencers into. This is a pretty easy task to accomplish. You'll want to start by taking off these screws right here. Once you've taken all of these off both sides, you'll be able to take this plastic panel off. You may need to do a little bit of maneuvering to get this loose, but once you have it off, just set it off to the side somewhere where it's not going to be in your way later. Now that you've got this plastic panel off, you can come off to the side here and plug in your sequencers. What you're going to need to do is pull this back here, and now you should be able to see where the sequencer needs to go. It sort of fits in like a really short extension cable. So first, unplug this here, then grab your sequencer and plug it in between. And there you go, one side done.
So I had these on my last Mustang, and they were great. I loved them. So that's why I wanted to get them again to put on the new one. Ran into a little problem though. This side, the sub completely blocks where I need to get. Now I did try taking the sub out, and there's still stuff blocking it. So basically, if you have the sub, there's no way to get in there and put these in. If you don't have a sub though, you're good to go.
So as long as you don't have this sub in your car like I do, you should be able to get your sequencers in on both sides. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and take this plastic panel and put this back in. Start by lining it up. There's some hooks in the middle behind where you can see in this video here that need to hook into the car. You want to make sure these are in the right spot, so I would use the screws on either side to get it lined up the way it's supposed to be. You don't have to put them all the way through yet. You'll want to get the hooks in first. Once you've got it lined up, then you can come over and just kind of hit it in and pound it in so that it fits in. Now that you've got that in, you can get the screws through the holes on the plastic panel. Once you've got that done, go ahead and make sure that it's all the way back, as far as it can be. And then just screw all these screws back on, and you're done.
I'm going to turn on the hazards here. So we got both the lights going off now. So we should be able to see the difference between the sequential tail lights and just the regular ones. So this here is with the sequential tail light plug and play in there, and this is without. So now your turn signals without these will still do that, but now once you have that in there, your brakes and just any time that light goes off at all, it's going to do that versus just flashing on. So there you go, that's the difference.
I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please be sure to like and subscribe. For more information, visit my website, mustangaddict.com. Drive safe.